Rover Company assembly video for a freestanding pet gate. The Rover Freestanding Pet Gate kit comes with 2 panels, 3 legs, 6 250 connector clips, 4 RG8 gate clips, 1 part number 180 straight stabilizer. Attach the 4 RGH clips to your legs, 2 on each leg. Once the RGH clips are attached to the legs, then attach the panels to the RGH clips by clipping the panels into the RGH clips. Place the 2 Rover panels end to end on top of the 3rd freestanding leg. Then attach the 6 250 connector clips by wrapping the clips around the panels. 3 clips on top and 3 clips at the bottom. Now connect the 180 straight stabilizer between the 2 panels up on top, connecting them together. Congratulations! Now you're ready to use your Rover Freestanding Pet Gate.